This is why I need so much to make sure one day I'll behave as a professional. Okay, let's go there. Now, I don't pause the video because I want to start from the beginning. I pressed home to start from the beginning. Now here where the video starts, I have to preview. That means I go look am from the beginning how it starts. Then you get some part where they say I no need them, I go come out am later. And at those parts I will show you. Video editing no be small thing. Okay. And this is what I love so much. I've always been here almost every time I have NEPA and steady lights. Makeup for take gets enough power and strength to my system to go through it gently. This one some people where they work out, they come in event center. Now then do this. Why coming? Okay, I have to capture them at least few seconds for my trailer. At the big main arrangement, and then do this. They were just arranging on how the events look at the electricians. They are joining some wires together, the choir people, and so they work out go where they want to sit down. After they don't finish their little practical. Okay, some of them are still coming. Okay, look at them, they are trying to sit one place. Now they play they want to the casket with this. I'm just previewing the video. They look and so that if I want cut some part, I will know the one where I will cut come on. They say anything. Video editing, everything, no be small thing. Wow, now the ambulance will come to. I was not told that the ambulance are coming, so I have to stand very far to go and get the people who are carrying the ambulance. Wow, now so rest in peace. Okay, I stood very far. Now why the thing go like this? See the caskets. I have to preview so that anyhow it is, I will be able to know the part I'm cutting out. That is why video editing is not easy. If you check very well from this area, this video is more than 1 hour and I need to sit down, look at them one after the other before I will start my editing process. Child, you don't carry the person. They won't go keep them for where they want, where they been arranged for the caskets. Oh, so sad. Oh my God. And if you don't know how to edit, you can see, get some information from here. When you have your laptop, you get in your Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, sorry about some sound that you are hearing around as well. I need to take time to look at it step by step. Not the man who gets green, white, that it is with black. So sad. Sometimes going to events like this, other people they are going through some of the things in the program. Okay, this part I am just trying to. This is where the real video is to start. That's why I remove this particular part, which is After going through those things, I will now know how to cut it off, and I will now bring some video in to overlay on it. That is to do some video where I don't video where we say fine where I will carry. Like now with the camera they make like this. You do some video where I will carry conflict for the top. Make it more conflict so obvious. Okay. Like this part like this. I just look for a given video to cover up this clip. And I need to walk through this. As I'm going through this, I'm taking record because still there are some parts I need to cut off. Okay. Let me take this video to the next line so that when I come back I will know that I have to walk in this line. Like this part to me is too white because they are wearing white shirts. Like we need to work towards it. Okay. I think this clip I need to go through it later. What we are collecting. I think I'll walk through here. That's to say, video editing is not an easy thing. I need to go through it very, very well. Then at times we are staying to video editing should be very quiet so that you will not be distracted. It's because you don't have to realize that's why I have to carry it to my pocket very close to the roadside. And I will tell you the truth. It will be distracting me a little. Like this particular place I need to work on it. It's still white here. Like this place, I need to walk on here. I'm taking it up. That's my own way of arranging my video. not the kind of videographer that at the end of the day I'll just carry my video and throw it to the Adobe Premiere Pro. I need to do some certain checkup. Okay, like this clip now is too beautiful to use it in subsequent time. Meaning now waiting some of these clips I will take them and use them for some other part of my video. I know I want to spend just 30 to 20 minutes in this video because I believe you will not be able to go through the video to the end. But if you have the strength, I would love to do that because it's very, very necessary as one who wants to learn video editing. Okay, I've seen some people online coming in to watch. Please, if you don't have enough time, share it to other persons who are out there looking for how to learn how to edit. Now, plenty content creators are online, and you want to get to know some of these things, like this part. I think the camera was panning wrongly. I'll cut it and make some video to blend with those parts. Okay, let me take it a little up so that I will know that I have some job. Yes, this one is too white. I'll see do something about it at exactly time. Look at it, shake down to my battery is just 8 minutes more. I will have to rush and save my job. That is the one of the most important thing you need to observe when you are editing, so that you not do it all at the end of the day. One or two things will now come back and distract your job. If you can take the other camera around the field, which after everything, I'll borrow some clips from the camera to see make use of its 𝗩ideo. Okay, I like this shot. This shot is beautiful. Let me see how it goes. Oh, this shot is beautiful. Now, don't fail to save it because I think this battery will not carry. That is why it's always good to be very, very active in latest light. For me, sometimes I have to run through the video. Any part that is not decent, I do something about it. Like here, I'm not really impressed with it. I have to take the video up to the next line so that when I'm coming back, I will know that there is some job to be done there. Okay, I think I'm seeing something that I need to go to. Okay. Like this video, this shot is beautiful. I'll pass them all to the next clip. Oh, this is a reading of biography. I don't want to really listen to this because it will cost me a little tears. No, let me leave this line all because so sad. God, I think I should let me just move out from this part. Oh, my done. Another person coming out for testimony. It was not easy. My battery is about to go off. I don't forget to Control S to save my job. I'm still going through the video. There are some parts I need to take it off so much. Come on. This woman part two is shedding me some tears. Don't want to listen. Some people are just this man was just weeping. Felt so sad. It was not easy. Oh my god. Let me take all this part that is shedding people tears. Where they make people dey cry sadly. God. I was free to do that. Yes. Oh, this is one of the distractions that I was talking about. I think I've seen somebody with camera. Okay, that is the person I want to borrow his script from when I'm done with checking up my particular lines. Okay. Okay, this clip I need to do something about it. I save it because my battery is about to go out. But this country should do something with that for us to have steady light. It will be very nice. There are some things that will not be even panic, even if they don't give us job. We will use NEPA light to do something and get something. The man that was reading the life story of his friend, she is crying. Everybody was so sad. But it is well. People don't cry. Some people they just they fold their hands. But this is why sometimes I don't like editing 𝗩urial because it's so heartbreaking. Oh, who is? I think there is somebody coming out there. He's on the cover now. One of the visual. Let me see. Because sometimes there's a way you forward this thing and pass. I save my job again. Where is the line? Somebody just confused this. Should be one of the demons. God. Jesus. That is what we have been passing. My system is out. Okay. Let's wait for some other time. God bless you for your time. Please subscribe to our channel where we always do some video editing, some video job, video production. Like if you want to do events, you can reach us. Our contact is somewhere there. You can just check. And God bless you for supporting us. And through your support, we will do the best. God bless you. I've been seeing only one person being online and active. God bless you out there. And you out there that will not been able to reach to this point. I also say God bless you because step by step house built. And one day we are going to reach the top of the mountain. God bless you so much. Because our system is out because of lights. And fuel here is too costly and we cannot fuel up our generator to continue. Let's just wait and use this moment for rest. Please don't forget to subscribe. Drop your comments when you need some understanding. God bless you.